juste la note, hein, Branco. T'es prêt?
Yes.
Area, shaped like a petunia. Thank God you know your days. It's on your mind, it's on all the time. I found it hard to explain. What would you trade me for? This girl's playing hula hoop under the malicious winter solstice. Turn the lights on, find me a narrative, something positive. This requiem played a few times before. I heard it once, so I'm not sure on the phone. I told you, you open your eyes to go to bed. Drive straight to the ocean, let's see what you won't find out. Only the righteous beheaded loved ones. Now it's hard to connect, but the world's unchained, and soon it'll be public domain. Still hard to remain astute, but I will stay if you're detained with you. I wash my hands until it rains through you. On, obliged to the bygones. Thank God you know your ways. If this time it's true, why bother reeling you? All this fine jewelry. Look at this diamond shaped out of glass. I'll try to make this ruby shine nice. I'm trying to make a living, is that something that you don't mind? Fine. Did you ever think it could have been in our lifetime? So give me a ride on, find me a narrative, something positive. This requiem played a few times before. I heard it twice, so I'm not sure on the phone. I told you, you open your eyes to go to bed. Drive straight to the ocean, let's see what you won't find out. But you cover your eyes for winter solstice. Now it's hard to connect, but the world's unchained, and soon it'll be public domain. It's still hard to maintain astute, but I will stay if you're detained with you. I'll wash my hands until it rains through you.
Et maintenant, on fait quoi alors les fils?
Alors c'est vraiment, on va faire le maximum.